Morning student. Today we are going to discuss some important current affair related to your UT2 and annual exams. So first question is here, you can see on your screen. The governor of which state has inaugurated the Safe City project in October 2020? The option is Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat. So what is the correct option? I repeat the question. The governor of which state has inaugurated the Safe City project in October 2020? So correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patel has inaugurated the Safe City project. It is a 180-day long campaign under which the police and other departments will work together towards the safety of women. The governor flagged up 100 pink scooties and 10 four-wheelers police vehicles. Lucknow is among 8 cities in the country selected for the Safe City project. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. The Governor of Uttar Pradesh is Anandiben Patel. The number of districts in Uttar Pradesh is 75 districts. Okay. So Safe City project related to Uttar Pradesh. This is clear. Now our next question is question number 2. Which country won the Solar Award for the Asia Pacific region during the third assembly of International Solar Alliance? So in question number 2, in question number 1, our correct option is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh governor has inaugurated the Safe City project in October 2020. Okay. Now second question. Second question is that you can see the second question in your screen. Question is that which country won the Solar Award for Asia Pacific regions during the third assembly of the International Solar Alliance. Solar Alliance, in short form you can say ISA. Okay. Option is China, India, Japan, Indonesia, Singapore. So what is the correct answer? I repeat the question. Which country won the Solar Award for the Asia Pacific region during the third assembly of the International Solar Alliance ISA? The option is China, India, Japan, Indonesia, Singapore. So correct answer is Japan. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is Japan is the correct answer. The Solar Award were presented during the third assembly of the International Solar Alliance for the first time. The assembly witnessed the conferment of the Visvesvaraya Award, which recognizes the country with maximum floating solar capacity in each of the four regions of ISA. The award went to Japan for the Asia Pacific regions and Netherlands for Europe and other regions. Japan's capital is Tokyo. Japan's currency is Japanese yen. The national sport of Japan is sumo wrestling. So this is about Japan's. Now our next questions is question number 3. Let's see what have been question. Question number 3 have who attend the youth 20 or you can say Y20 Samiti held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Option is Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Kiren Rijiju, Rajnath Singh, Piyush Goyal. I repeat the question. Who attend the youth 20 or you can say Y20, you can see on your screen. Y20 Summit held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So option is given. First option is Narendra Modi. Second option is Amit Shah. Third option is Kiren Rijiju. Fourth option is Rajnath Singh. And the fifth option is Piyush Goyal. Okay. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is Kiren Rijiju. Kiren Rijiju. The correct option is option 3. Kiren Rijiju is our correct answer. This is clear. Sport Minister Kiren Rijiju attended the Youth 20 Samiti held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. The Samiti kicked off on 15 October 2020 and conducted on October 17, 2020. 2020 means 2020. Okay, don't be confused. The theme of the Samiti was Government Youth Dialogues on post-COVID-19 opportunities. The Y20 or you can say Youth 20 Youth Samiti is a youth-led event bringing young leaders from across G20 countries to discuss the G20 leaders' agenda. Now, we are going to discuss our next question. So, in the answer of this question is that Kiren Rijiju. Okay. Now, so our next question is question number 5. Question number 5 you can see on your screen. Question number 5 है locals in which state celebrated the Kati Bihu festival in October 2020. Bihu. So answer option is Assam, Rajasthan, Kerala, Telangana, Odisha. Now I repeat the question. Local in which state celebrated the Kati Bihu festival in October 2020. So option is given on your screen. First option Assam, second Rajasthan, third Kerala, fourth option Telangana, and the fifth option is Odisha. Okay, these are all the state of India. So what is your correct answer? The correct answer is Assam. Assam is the correct option. Okay, Khati Bihu festival related to the Assam. So the correct answer is Assam. The local in celebrated the Khati Bihu festival in Assam on 17 October. Khati Bihu marks an important day for the Assamese people as they celebrated it by lighting up their homes and agriculture fields. People performance agriculture dance, organize feasts. On this day, earthen lamps are lit at the foot of the household tulsi plants, the gregory, and the paddy fields. Some important information about Assam. Number of districts of Assam is 33. Lok Sabha seats in Assam is 14. Rajya Sabha seat in Assam is 7. The dams Sabari lower dams, or you can Sabari rivers, Karbi, Langpi dams, register GI, Muga silk of Assam, Assam, Karbi, Analag, Ginger, and Tezpur lychee. Now, so the answer of this question is, that local in which state celebrated the Khati Bihu festival in October 2020 in Assam. So now our next question is question number 6. What is the question number 6? You can see on your screen. Our next question is, when is the International Thieves Day celebrated? Option is 18 October, 19 October, 20 October, 21 October, 22 October. I repeat the question. When is the International Thieves Day celebrated? Option is 18 October, 19 October, 20 October, 21 October, 22 October. So student, what is your answers? So I hope your answer is 19 October. No, 19 October is wrong answer. Right answer is 20 October. Okay. So when the International Theft Day celebrated? 20 October. The correct answer is 20 October. International Theft Day is celebrated on October 2020 every year. The day was created in 2004 to give respect to the profession. Dr. Will Gallagher, a celebrated thief and also the former president of the World Association of Chiefs Societies, create International Thieves Day in 2004. The theme of International Thieves Day 2020 was healthy food for the future. So a question arises here, what is the theme of International Thieves Day 2020? So what is the theme? The theme was healthy food for the future. Now the correct answer of this question, the International Thieves Day celebrated on 20 October 2020. The theme of International Thieves Day 2020 was healthy food for the futures. Now, next question. You can see on your screen what is the next question. Next question is that digital technology solutions providers Stell Apps has announced the launch of the first of its kind fully automated directed payment platforms MoPay for dairy farmer in which state? For dairy farmers in which states? Option is Gujarat. Second option is Maharashtra. Third option is Haryana. Next, Rajasthan, Punjab. So what is your answer? Please tell. I repeat the question. Digital technology solutions provider Stell Apps has announced the launch of the first of its kind fully automated directed payment platforms MovePay for dairy farmers in which state? So given option is Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab. So our correct answer is Rajasthan. Okay, the correct answer is Rajasthan. Digital technology solutions providers Stell Apps has announced the launch of a first of its kind fully automated directed payment platforms MoPay for dairy farmers in Rajasthan. Okay, so you can see this is a MovePay. This is a launch in Rajasthan. Okay, it enables dairy officials to transfer milk payments digitally to members farmers from the dairy's existing bank account to farmers saving bank accounts. It acts as the payment gateway for dairies to make payments. So Chief Minister of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot. Governor of Rajasthan is Kalraj Mishra. Okay, so now we are going to discuss next question. Next question you can see on your screen. Next question is Dr. Jayanta Madhav passed away in October 2020. He was related to which of the following fields? You can see question on your screen, and option is also economics, cricket, chess, politics, acting. So Dr. Jayanta Madhav passed away in October 2020. He was related to which of the following fields? So option is given here: economics, cricket, chess, politics, acting. So what is your correct answer? The correct answer is economics. Dr. Jayanta Madhav related to economics. Clear? Dr. Jayanta Madhav worked as the financial advisor to the Calcutta Metropolitan Development Corporation. He served as the economic advisor to the Assam government from 2003 to 2009 during the tenure of former Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi. Dr. Jayanta also served as the director at the Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank, you can say in short ADB. ADB, Asian Development Bank. Okay, so Dr. Jayanta also served as the director at the Asian Development Bank. Okay, now the next question, our next question, you can see on your screen. What is our next question? This is question number 8. Who has been named as the brand ambassador of LG Electronics Inc. for its luxury lines of premium products? Option you can see on your screen. What is the correct answer? Tell me. So answer of these questions, Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton as the brand ambassador of LG Electronics for its luxury lines of premium products. So the correct answer of these questions is Lewis Hamilton. LG Electronics, a major home appliance maker in South Korea, has named Formula One star Lewis Hamilton as a brand ambassador for its luxury lines of premium products. Hamilton's will promote the LG signature brands, which the company uses for its high-end products. Hamilton, a six-time Formula One world champion, is considered one of the best racing driver in the history of the sport. Okay, so answer of this question is Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton as the brand ambassador of LG Electronics for its luxury line of premium products. Okay, LG Electronics related to South Korea, and Lewis Hamilton as a brand ambassador of its luxury lines of premium products. Lewis Hamilton will promote the LG signature brand, which of the which the company use for its high-end product. Lewis Hamilton, a six-time Formula One world champion, is considered one of the best racing drivers in the history of the sport. Now we are move to next question, question number 9. What have question number 9? You can see on your screen. Question number 9 have which of the following has signed an agreement with the Russian Direct Investment Fund RDIF to produce Russia Sputnik V vaccine against COVID-19 starting in the second half of November. So you can see the option in your screen. So what is the correct option? The correct option is third option. This is the correct answer, Unio Qumica. Okay, now we are going to move next question. What is our next question? Question number 10. The question number 10 have, what is question number 10? Question number 10 have, Europe becomes the second region after Latin America to surpass 2,50,000 deaths on 24 October 2020. Europe counts for nearly how much percentage of global death? So what is the option of this answer is given on your screen, you can see, and tell me what is the correct answer. Option first is 15 percentage, second is 19 percentage, third is 23 percentage, and the fourth is 27 percentage, and fifth is 31 percentage. I repeat the question. Europe becomes the second region after Latin America to surpass 2,50,000 deaths on 24 October 2020. Europe accounts for nearly how much percentage of global death? So what is our correct answer? Our correct answer is 19 percentage. Europe becomes second region after Latin America to surpass 2,50,000 deaths on 24 October 2020 with record number of daily COVID-19 infections reported in the past 2 weeks. Europe accounts for nearly 19% of global death and about 22% of global cases. United Kingdom leads Europe's death toll with about 45,000 deaths, followed by Italy, Spain, France, and Russia. Now, so our correct answer is 19%. Now we are going to move next question. What is our next question? Our next question you can see on your screen. The next question is that you can see on your screen. Question is that which region surpassed 10 million infections of the new coronavirus of 24 October 2020, the second heaviest regional toll in the world? The option is Latin America, Asia, Europe, Africa, Oceania. Okay. So what is your correct answer? Your correct answer is Asia. Okay. Asia region surpassed 10 million infections of the new coronavirus on 24 October 2020, the second heaviest regional toll in the world. Okay. So correct answer is Asia. Behind on Latin America, Asia accounts about 1/4 of the global caseload of 42.1 million of the virus. With over 1,63,000 deaths, the region accounts for some 14% of the global COVID-19 toll. So, answer of these questions is Asia. Asia surpassed 10 million infections of the new coronavirus on 24 October 2020, the second heaviest regional toll in the world. Now, we are going to discuss next question. What is the question you can see on your screen. GS1 India, a global standard organization, has set up the National Industries Forum for Retail. In short, you can say INIFR. The forum includes which of the following companies? I Option is Amazon, Google, Hindustan Unilever. Fourth option is both 1 and 2. You can see on your screen. And the fifth option is all 1, 2 and 3. I repeat the question. GS1 India Global Standard Organization has set up the National Industries Forum for Retail NIFR. The forum includes which of the following companies? Option are given on your screen. You can see Amazon, Google, Hindustan Unilever. Fourth option is both 1 and 2, and the fifth option is all. It means that 1, 2 and 3. So what is our correct option? So our correct answer is fifth. Amazon, Google, Hindustan Lever, all these companies. Okay, so our correct answer is Amazon, Google and Hindustan Unilever. GS1 India, a global standard organization, has set up the National Industries Forum for Retail. It is a platform where consumer products, companies and retailers will partner to better their supply chain and distribution networks. The forum includes more than a dozen leading companies such as Amazon, Google's, Nestle, Hindustan, Unilever, and so on. Okay, so student, I hope this is enough for today. Now, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.